Hello, in this video I'm gonna do an unboxing of Xiaomi Smart Camera C300. So here is the Xiaomi Smart Camera C300 and let's open it. So let's open it here at the top and then inside we get this box. I think there are accessories in it. Let's see. Yes, there's a cable for the camera. Then there is a manual. And also you get some screws inside so you can mount the camera to a wall, for example. And also there is warranty notice, and I think that's it. Yes, so let's look further. There is of course the camera, so let's take out this whole box. Okay, and inside there is the camera. This is how it looks. It rotates and moves up and down. There is the power button, the reset button, it's for resetting, and the charging port. So this is the camera, and that's all inside of the box. So this is your camera, and that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.